listen to me. So the question is that now you can understand. Listen to me.
Teacher, no see your screen.
Okay, wait. I'm going to share. Wait. I'm already shared my screen.
Yeah, she is showing her screen.
Now I'll try again. Okay.
Restarting.
Wait, I'm trying again. Now listen to me. I'm again sharing my screen.
What?
That feels good. Is she showing the screen?
Now is it shared?
I can't see it. I can see it. Something wrong with my internet.
Maybe your internet is not working.
Yes.
Yeah, not too well, sorry.
Okay.
Now I can see it.
I think it's because he's in camping. And
Yeah.
the-
Yes, we are camping now. We are camping.
Okay, fine. You have to just listen to me. In the month of July, where there were 25 working days. It means in the July, how many days? You are already telling me. July is 21st days. Yeah, you're right. 31st day.
31st.
Okay. Okay. Now, how many days were holiday? It means if you have 31st days in July and you are doing work 25 days, okay, you are doing work 25 days, to tell me how many days are left. These left days are called these left
5
days
days.
no 6 days. What is the answer? If you had 31st, yeah, what's the answer? 6 or 5? 6 or 5, tell me. Tell me how many days are left.
6.
Yeah, these days are 6. It means the left days is known as a holiday. Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
If you can see, if 25 days are working days, it means the left days are holidays. So answer is 6. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you can see here. Here's the answer, 6. Okay, is there any problem?
No.
Okay, fine. I have one more question for you. Uh, 5, 576. Are you listening to my voice?
Yes.
Are you listening to my voice?
Yes.
Can you see screen?
I can't see the screen.
Okay, fine, very good. Okay, I have a question again. Wait.
Now I can see it.
For a minute. Okay, fine. I have a question one more. Listen to me.
I
The
can't
question.
see it.
Can you solve this question? Okay, I have a question. Can you read? Firstly, we have to read. Without actual adding, write if the sum is
Not
even
even
or odd. Listen to me. What I'm saying. Without actual addition, write if the sum is even or odd. How to solve this question? It means what you have. You have 11, okay, plus 13. Can you tell me that what is the addition of this number, these numbers? That is even or odd?
It's even.
It's
Even.
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 Yeah, you know that if we adding these numbers, yeah,
Your screen is not moving.
maybe your internet is not working.
Because
Yeah, no internet.
Because when I went to camp, there was like no Wi-Fi, no internet, no web
Now I see.
network, so I couldn't do anything.
We just moved.
So listen to me. What
It
is
is,
the,
out.
if you have 11, 13, that is 42. Yes or no?
So it is 11
Yeah.
even.
Ma'am, 5 7, 5 7, ma'am.
Odd.
No, that's not odd. You can see the last number is 4. So that means that is even.
4.
Okay.
2. 2.
Okay. You have to write what? It means if you solve this question, you can see here is what? Here's 83 and 81. If you add both the number and 13, 17, it means 1717. 1317. If you add these number, it become even or odd. You can see the last number. That's it. If you have 7 plus 1 is the 8. It become 8. If the number is 8 of addition, it means that is the even.
Yes.
Yeah. Even. You can write even. Even. That's it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So listen to me. What I'm saying. I'm thinking. I'm going to take a. I mean, firstly, I will tell you how to write your test. Listen to me. For example, that is the part B. Okay. That is the part that part A, not part B. So if you want to write the answer, yeah.
Your screen's not moving. I just.
Listen to me.
Ooh, I like these. So
Maybe
first we add the tens. So.
Listen to me how to solve your question in your test. Listen to me how to solve. For example, that is your question and how to write your question. Firstly, you have to write solution. What you write?
solution.
Like you have to write solution and that's a way of writing in your notebook. So firstly, you have to write solution of part A. You can write like this. Okay. Okay. And after that, you have to take you have to write underline. After that, you have to just write, like for example, if you have a question, like if you this is your question, and now you can add in the place of 2, in the place of 10, you can write 12. Now you can add 12 plus 12 is 24, and 24 is 20 is become 34, and 34 plus 18, 34 plus 18 is become what? Plus 18 is become what?
34 plus 18.
That is
14. 14 plus 8
is 52.
52.
Okay. So for example, if answer is 52, for example, that is 52. Okay. These 52. Okay. So you can write only, you have to write only what? You have to write first D. What do you write? Only first D. Okay. That's it. What do you write?
First D.
That's it. Or you can solve all these things in your rough work, not in your copy. Okay. In your test paper, don't write all these things. You have to write only answer. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
And
what's
you,
question? All of them are just.
I will give you. I'm not give you right now. I will give you. Then I will tell you how to solve your question in your notebook. It's just a way of writing in your copy. Okay. And your all solution in your rough work. No, don't write your solution in here. And these type question. For example, if you're answer writing 4, so you can write 4 for example, your answer is this, just for example, so you have to write 4C. What do you write?
4C.
4C. Okay.
4C.
That's it. So can I give now you're prepared for the exam. I mean for a test, not exam.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now I'm going to share my screen, and I'm already shared my screen. I'm going to share that test paper. Okay. You all guys are brilliant, so you can solve very easily. Don't waste your time to solve all writing all these questions. You have to write only answer, the main point. That's it.
Ma'am, I can't see anything.
I don't. You can see wait for a minute. That's your paper. Okay. Now is it shared?
Yes.
Wait for a minute. I want to zip. Now is it clear?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Come on. Something's not right.
Now you can solve these questions in your notebook.
Yes.
Listen to me. Don't write all these things. You have to, if you solve these answers, you can solve in your copy, or you can write in your rough word. Don't write in your test paper. Okay. You have to write only answer. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Or after that, you can write this only and this. Don't write this because I'm not tick question number C. Only tick
Okay.
question you have to.
Only take what? Only take B and D?
What B and D? Yeah.
No.
B and D.
and D.
Yeah. Don't solve A and C. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to solve only mark question. That's it.
Okay.
Now your time start now.
Okay.
Hold on. So do we have to do A or the B?
You have to solve both.
Both?
Yeah, you have to solve both.
I go get.
Listen to me. Here is 1,000. Is there any problem? Here is right 8,000. Don't confuse with that.
I can't see it.
Wait.
Oh.
Good. Okay.
No.
Call me ni lama. Ni name lama.
Tell me, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Don't ask me answer, okay? You have to ask, if you any doubt, you can ask me how to write. Don't ask me what the answer. I hope you can solve all these questions.
Nancy,
Yeah.
what does the first one mean?
First one is that you have to write solution A, okay, and after that you have to write first. Don't solve first. You have to solve second, and you can solve in your notebook. And after that you have to write two, and whatever you can write A in bracket A, or you can write B, whatever. Okay.
Adults and 2000 the 2,887 children. The capital is. Okay, let's see. Let's see. And
Is it more clear? Listen to me one thing. If you solve question number if you solve mental maths, you have to write answer. You have to write answer only. Like you can write answer. For example, if I write this, you can write mental maths B, and the answer. Okay. You have now you have 15 minutes, about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay.
okay. Miss Nancy,
Yeah.
what do you do if you don't know the answer?
If you don't know answer, you can leave this.
Okay.
For example, if you don't know this four, for example, you don't know about four, then you can write. Don't write four. Now you can start six. Okay.
Okay. It's 6.
There he is.
Teacher,
Yeah.
are you
Tell
gonna
me.
say anything?
No.
I said, are you gonna say anything? What?
What do you want to ask me?
I said, are you gonna say anything?
No, I'm not saying anything.
Are you gonna
If
say?
you want to ask me, you can tell me what you want to ask.
Then what are we gonna? Then what do we do?
I'm not doing anything. I'm just watch you. Just listen to your voice and what I'm doing. I just watch all of you.
I can't see him. That is doing.
Hey, are we done?
No, you have 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 to 15. I have 10 or 15 minutes. I will give you more than 10. I will give you 5 minutes more. It means you have 15 minutes total maximum, and minimum you have 10 minutes.
Okay. Not yet, Mom. Ah. Look. Done, Joe, stop. Are you done? Stop. Go. Are we done now? Nace, teacher, are we done?
If you're done, wait.
If you're done, then you can take a picture and send in the group. Okay. I will give
Both
marks.
of them?
Yeah, both of them. I will give you marks. I will give you marks about, and also I will send you the marks list in the evening. Okay. 3, 4.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
If you, are you done?
No.
Listen to me. The paper, the part A is about 9 marks and B part is about 10 marks. Okay. In
Yeah.
maybe within 1 day, I will give you marks and send your marks list in your group. Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you tired? Tell me.
What did you say?
I'm saying, why are you tired? Who is saying I'm tired?
I said it.
Why?
Gosh, I am.
It's only 8:19.
Yeah, you're saying right. It's total about 19 marks. Maximum marks is 19 and minimum, you can, it depends.
I literally wanted to. I
Each
literally
question
wanted to
contains
hang out with my friends.
what?
But
Each question.
everybody's waiting.
Yeah, sorry. Can you repeat your
They're
words?
waiting for me because
You want to play?
what did you
Each question.
say?
Nothing. You have to solve. That's
What
it.
did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
Oh, my back.
Don't ask me too much. You make a noise. You have to solve this. You have only 10 minutes left.
Miss Nancy, I'm finished.
Really? Good. Just take a picture and send to the group,
Yeah, okay.
and you can leave class. Okay.
Okay. Miss Nancy, I'm not going to be able to take the photo today. I'll send it to you tomorrow, okay?
Nancy, I'm done.
Okay. So fine, but don't doing anything in your test paper. Okay.
Okay.
But you can send your test paper tomorrow. Okay. Fine. But try to fast. Don't take too much time. You can take picture and send me before tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm on.
If you're done, you can any
Hey, teacher.
yeah.
Hey, teacher, can I leave? Teacher, can
What?
I leave? I'm so tired.
Okay, if you're done,
Can I leave? Can I leave? I'm so tired.
okay, you can leave. Take care.
Wait, I'm not
Bye.
done.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
My friend's saying,
Bye.
are you?
Miss,
Yeah.
I'm not done.
Nacy, can I leave too?
Yeah, you can be.
Hey, Nacy, can I leave? Because my
You
friend
done?
is waiting. Because my
Is it
friend still wants
Are
to
you
play
done?
with me.
Nacy,
Yeah.
can you put the
What did-
homework at
What did you say?
back?
I'm saying if you done your test, you can leave your class, but before leaving the class, you have to take a picture of your test paper and send to me in the group. Okay. If you done your test paper, you have to take picture and send me in the group. Then you can leave the class. And if you're not able to take a picture, but so leave it for I will give you time for tomorrow. You have to submit your paper till tomorrow, and that's it. You can leave the class if you done. Now you have only 5 minutes.
Teacher.
Yeah,
I'm trying my best to get the answer right.
I hope you're better. You get the best marks, maybe. You got the best.
Can I leave? Is it-
Um, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Holy
Teacher.
Yeah.
6,000.
Teacher.
Yeah, you can ask me what.
Man.
Oh no. Okay.
Can I leave? I'm so tired.
Are you done your test? Tell me. You can you can leave your class if you done your test.
Um.
Now you have only 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Man, this is gonna take forever. Oh, so tired. What do I want to? Hey, teacher,
Yeah.
can I leave? And teacher, can I leave? I'm so tired.
Oh, tell me, are you done your work? I'm asking to you, 576. Are you done your work? Tell me
No.
yes or no. Why?
No.
Why you not
I'm
taking this?
feeling so.
Okay, fine. If you're not feeling better, you can you can take a picture and send me, and that's it. You cannot.
Can you put
Yeah.
the
Oh my god, I'm on the last question.
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Bye. If you're not feeling good, you can fine. You can leave a class and you have to send me your test paper. Okay.
And
Only 1 minute is left.
oh my god, I'm crying.
Don't panic.
I can't see.
I can see.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Done. Done.
Good.
Yes.
Fine. Now only 10 seconds is left. 10 to 20 seconds left. I'm going to stop my screen. Sharing.
Oh, my hand.
Okay. So 1, 2. So now I'm going to stop my screen. Okay, sharing.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye bye. Take care, all of you, both of you, and I will send you a solution in your group. Now,
Okay.
before leaving the class, you have to take a picture of your test book and send me in the group. Okay.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, bye bye.
Take care. Seriously, that's too much.